A new law going into effect in Pennsylvania this June says that if you have a phone in your hand while driving, you may end up getting pulled over by police. Emily Marinas spoke with Cambria County officials to find out what this law really means for drivers and how you can prevent getting a fine.
Although texting and driving was already illegal in Pennsylvania, Governor Josh Shapiro instated a new law entirely banning the use of cell phones while driving. The Paul Miller law allows police to ticket when a driver has a cell phone in their hands for any reason. The law is named after a man who was killed in a tractor-trailer collision by a distracted driver and is meant to lower the amount of deaths caused by distracted driving. Enforcement for the law will begin on June 5th, and for the first year, violations will result in a warning. The law bans drivers from using any electronic devices while behind the wheel.
Obviously, you are still allowed to use your Bluetooth functionality in your vehicle. That is still legal. You're just not allowed to physically manipulate the phone in your hand.
One criminal defense attorney agrees that the law will be beneficial, but questions how it will be enforced.
No one's in favor of distracted driving, so it's a good law. The question becomes how will it be enforced and so forth. And most of the time, I think we've all been in situations where we're driving and we see a vehicle in front of us, and if we pass it on the expressway, we see the person's got a phone in their hand, and now the police have this law on the books to try and address distracted driving in that fashion.
According to PennDOT data, more than 11,000 crashes statewide involved a distracted driver in 2023. 63 of those resulted in fatalities.
I can say I think everyone knows someone that has been in an accident that's the fault of someone who's texting or on the phone. Obviously, with law enforcement, we see people die as a result of this. You can still, you should today pull over, find a safe place if you need to make a phone call. The law just makes it, sort of reinforces what is kind of common sense.
In June of 2026, the penalty for breaking this law will increase to a fine of $50 plus court costs and other fees. For 6 News, I'm Emily Marinas.